Whoa. Okay, there's the moon. I don't know what it looks like.
I want to see it.
Ah, you can't, Marissa. Oops, I lost it. Okay, there it is.
Wow. It looks awesome.
Okay, that's okay. Alright.
It's scary.
I don't want to lose it though.
It's scary. Why aren't the boys out here?
Because we don't want to.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's
Okay, I'm losing it because I don't know how to. There we go.
That's freaky.
I should go get the tripod.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, since you're asleep, there's the lunar eclipse entering into totality. I will back off. And you can see how far away it really is. I'll zoom in again. Slowly. That's just a little too close to the moon. There we go. Okay, I'm going to let it go for a bit and come back. Okay, so some other words of history. It is now December 21st, 2010. It's the first day of winter. Well, later on today it will be. And therefore the moon is where the sun is on the first day of summer. So it is pretty much the highest in the sky it could be. And it's between midnight and 1 a.m. here in Arizona when it is at the highest it could possibly be. So this camera is almost aimed straight up. I don't think this happens ever in any millennium, where you can be at that particular place in the earth where the moon is at the highest it could ever be. We're still about 20 minutes away from the total eclipse. The total part of it, its totality started, but it's still not quite what they consider the total part of it. Okay, I will come back in a bit. Okay, it's a little after 1 a.m. on December 21st, 2010 here in Vail, Arizona. It's getting close to the peak part of totality, and the moon is definitely very dark. Of course, there are some cirrus clouds in the way too, but it definitely does look awesome. Zoom out a little bit. Let's zoom in. A little bit grainy. Park it right about there. See the blood redness of it. Alright, be back in a bit.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, now look at it through the camera. There it is, they're getting closer.
Whoa!
It's hard to see it because it's so dark. This is the total part of the eclipse.
Whoa, I never knew that was so big.
Yeah,
Close up.
you're freezing. It's not that cold out here, but it is when you don't have socks on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple more seconds. This is as total as it's going to get. Alright, the eclipse is still total, but the moon is starting to brighten up a bit as it moves out. See how bright it affects the camera. Oops, let me go forward. Still got some redness to it. Zoom way out. Alright, be back in a bit. Okay, well the moon's a crescent now and it's having a hard time focusing through the clouds. So bright. Let me try something else. Well, you can see the bottom part of the moon is still dark, but it's so bright, even from that crescent, that it's overwhelming the camera. You can see right there where the shadow is leaving. Right there. Very cool. Alright, I think that's enough for this eclipse.